Hey you guys, it's Teasy Cutie. I just thought I'd share with you real quickly this really cute soldered jar I did. It's a really pretty, I've got a new camera set up so it's on a boom. So I'm having to get used to this new camera angle. What I did was, this was a cocktail jar, a stirrings cocktail jar that I cut the bottom out of. And the top, I just did some soldering on that, and I soldered a glass heart. And then I bent this wire into a heart and soldered it on, and just did some glitter glass there and some more solder below it. Let's see if I can, like that. There's the back. And this is just some vintage rhinestones. I like to collect those. And some solder on the bottom. So it sits, but what it sits on, or whatever you want. Some people just solder them as a whole jar and they just leave it open. Well, nothing in it. I don't like to waste space. So I like to cut the bottom off and put things in it, or just use it as a dome. In this case, a dome. So, and you could always solder the bottom back on if you wanted, and that way you have the little hidden treasure bottle. But anyway, here's my little ballerina, and I'll show you a picture of what I did. But there she is. She's on this old silver candlestick, just like a little pedestal there. And I just set this over top of it, and it just creates a really cute little vignette, little whimsical little thing, and I love it. So it just sits over here. And what else do? I do these really big hearts. I mean, this is huge. It's in my hand. It's a beveled glass heart. And that's just a lot of fabric, and that's paper that I sewed into the fabric. Some lace and some paper, some fabric. So I just soldered, you know, and the back is just fabric. That's all I did. And this is just hangs on a, like that. Let's see what else. This is one of my oldest pieces here. I love this. It's just a little cowgirl. And it's just a, you know, really cute pendant. And this is a trinket box. I call it a trinket box. It's a copper box that I forged into a box, and I put a piece of glass over it and stuck another ballerina in there. She's on a chair. It says soar. This is more copper. I could have soldered this onto there, but I didn't. Kind of wanted it to be a little bit more cleaner. So there's a little cute little soldered soar. And this is one of my favorite. I call it the ugly pendant because it's just all very rustic looking, very primitive looking. Again, it's beveled glass, and it's just a picture I set up and printed out. It's just real, yeah, primitive looking. All these misshapen bumps and drip, and there's nothing real pretty about it. It's almost rustic. I guess we would call it rustic. I can see it hanging in a log cabin somewhere. So that's what I like to do sometimes. I like to play with my solder. But that's it. We're getting ready to go on a vacation. So I thought I'd do a real quick video for y'all, so you have something to ponder and look at while I'm gone. Okay, ladies, I just wanted to share that real quick with y'all. I will see y'all later. Bye.